Hi guys, long time no see. Hope you're doing well. Sorry I've been off for a while. And I said let me just drop this video because I promised to drop it. So this is the blouse. We had our part 1. This is the blouse. I already coupled it. So this video is all about how I made the sleeve. So please, if you know you are confused about how we got to this place, please try and check my bio and you see part 1. So now for the sleeve, we already cut the sleeve already. We cut a big rectangular pieces already, and then I cut a lining, an equal lining for it. So after that, I'm going to go to the machine and smoke the sleeve. People of God, we're going to join the lining. We're going to attach the lining to one end, the sleeve, to the longer side of the sleeve, just one end. I'm going to sew down the lining. Please ignore the chalk on the fabric. I'll tell you why I chalked it and I will rechalk it for you to see. So I came down from 3 inches from the other side, that's the shorter side of the rectangle. I came down 3 inches. Just watch, you know why I came down 3 inches. So I closed that shorter side of the rectangle. So I'll still go to the other side and do the same thing, leave 3 inches and start sewing downwards to close that other end too. Remember that the other longer end has not been closed. So it means I've started smoking the hand. Sorry, I chalked the front. I'm not supposed to chalk the front, I'm supposed to chalk the lining. So but for the middle of that X that I drew, like I just marked it very randomly. Like I just marked it so it'd be easy for me to smoke. I did not use any measurement. I just went and crossed the lines like that, and then cross them across each other just to get like a line that would guide me. So I held it at the back. I folded into 4, then I started smoking it. Just look at what I'm doing now. I picked that one from the back, then I fold it into 2, then I climb onto my machine and hold it down over and over again so it wouldn't lose, just like that. So on each of the place where the lines meet, I'm going to be doing that. See, it's coming out nicely, the smoking. I'm going to go to the other side again, pick it, then I'll fold it like that. It's going to form something like a triangle mouth. Then I'm going to come in, not so much at the tip, so that it will smoke very well. You come a bit like ½ inch in, and then you sew on it over and over again. You just keep repeating the same thing, repeating it as you go on. Just keep repeating it till you're done with each and every one of those cross lines. This is what being done looks like. If you notice, it's very smoked and it is fine. So just going around trying to cut off the threads at the edges of the cloth. This is how you go about your smoke thread, the first process. Then just watch and see what we're going to be doing next. This is the front part of it. Please don't chalk the front like me. Chalk the lining instead. I don't know who sent me a message. Please do not chalk the front. Now I've taken my 3 inches band. You remember that 3 inches you left in between the lining? So taking my band that's 3 inches wide, and I'm going to use the round sleeve measurement. I'm going to add 2 inches to it. So the round sleeve is around 9 inches, and then I'm adding 2 inches, which is 11 inches to it. Then I'm passing it through that hole, that 3 inches hole that I'll put there. So just watch what we're doing. I don't know if you have seen when they make a crunchy. It's going to look like when you make a crunchy. So that's what I'm doing there. I'm not putting a rubber band. I'm using the fabric, just the exact measurement to do it. Then I'm passing it through it from that end to the other end. You can use your safety pin. You can use whatever thing you want to use. Me, I used my thumb to do it. So when I was done, this is what it looks like. Look at it, see how it's coming up so nicely. Our sleeve is coming up nicely. And please just follow up. In case you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. But if you know you have not liked, you've not shared, you've not subscribed, please do so, and God bless you. I'm securing both edges with the safety pin, and when I was done doing that, I'll hold the 2 edges together, arrange it properly, and then I'll come to my machine and stitch it together, just like that. I'll be stopping 4 inches before the end so that I can make our armhole slant, just like that. So just arrange it properly and just make the armhole slant. So when we turn it, this is what it's going to be giving us. Are you seeing it? So are you seeing our sleeves? Our sleeve is coming out nicely. So I'm going to just hold down that armhole with my machine. I'm going to just hold it properly so that it will not be moving the lining and the material. But see how the sleeve is coming up so nicely. Please, if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So when we are done, we're going to pleat. We're going to first notch the midpoint of the armhole of the sleeve. I know that it's excess. We cut it excess so that we can pleat. So you just do it the way you do your normal sleeve. Then you pleat. You just do your pleating round, and make sure the pleating goes into equally into the armhole you have already cut, you already made. So just follow it nicely. Make sure you pleat it. That's how you notch it, so that notch, the place you notched in the middle, must align with the shoulder part. And guys, when we're done, it was just like this. Are you seeing how it is? Exactly how our style was. So please, if you have any question, please do ask me. Make sure you like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. God bless you, and I love you guys. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.